Hello, yes, good morning everybody. So we've come to the first day of the week. This is 6th of June. So today I'd like us to look at our charts. I'll start with the chart on my screen. This is NZDUSD. I'm going to use the indicator you're seeing on my screen, which is this one here. This is just an index. It's a custom made indicator. We have a very good uptrend. You can see that here. This is a very good uptrend. So following the signal which you had here, this was the best place to look for a buy from. If you are on this chart, this was the best place you could have taken a buy from. If you didn't buy it there, you still could have had the chance to buy it somewhere here. So you could have interpreted this as a resistance, as a resistance, as a resistance. There is a break above. We have a retracement. This is a buy, and this is a buy here. Then we have that one. Have another. So we have a resistance here. We have a resistance. We have a support. We have a support. And then if the price comes down and touches this level here, then this is going to be a good place to look for a buy from. So as it is right now, we are expecting the buyers to push price upwards. We are expecting the buyers to push price to the upper side, at least up to this point here. So if the price can move down and touch this point, that will be a good place to look for a buy from. We are expecting the buyers to push us up, break above these two lines, then pull back to the same point before the price can push itself even higher, at least up to these levels here. So if you're on this chart as we're speaking right now, you should expect the buyers to push us up to this point. If the price breaks above this level, then the next target is this one here. So the next chart which I want us to have a look at is a GBPUSD. So on this chart we are sellers. We are looking for possibility that the price may sell off. You can see on Monday, last week, we had shapes here. We had a shape here. The price broke above it, then it came back down. Then we also had a shape here. This is like a minor shape. Have that, and then we have another. Price broke below it. It gave us a sell. So as it is right now, we do expect that the sellers may push price down and end up breaking below this zone here. This is a very good, can successfully descend and close below, then that will be a good place to look for a sell from. So if the price can pull back down and end up breaking below these two lines, then we want to see the sellers continue to push price down. So we want to see a move like that, then a pullback, so that the price can continue even lower, at least up to this point here. So technically we are into a sell. We are into a sell. We expect the sellers to push price down, especially after a break below this point. We want to see a pullback so that we sell there up to these two lines there. So we had a shape in the past. We had a shape there, and then we had another there. The next symbol is gold. So on gold, so far, if you use the indicator I have on my screen, this could be a sell, but overall the price is headed to the upper side. If you check the weekly chart, you can see we are heading upwards. On this chart, basically this is the resistance level. This is our target, where we expect that if the price is to continue up, then we do expect it to go up to this resistance level. If the price is to go up, expect it to continue up, at least up to this resistance level. Have a support there, have another one there, then you have another one. So we have that, and then we have another there. So this is like a resistance. We had a resistance, we had a resistance there, we had a resistance, and we had a support here. We had a support, we had a support, we had a support. So following the fact that the price actually is above these two lines, these two red lines, we do expect that the buyers should push price upwards at least up to this level here, where if the price breaks above it, then we do expect it to continue upwards at least up to the next two lines, these lines here. So the other symbol which I want us to have a look at is Euro USD. On Euro USD, so far as it is right now, we are expecting a sell. We're expecting a sell. We're expecting a sell where the price is approaching here, this level here. So on the daily chart, we could see the price close below where the price is now, or it may close below the previous days, the Friday's candle's lowest low. But if it comes up and touches these two lines, this will be a good place to sell it from. Or if the price comes up and touches this point, then these two will be a good place to look for a sell from. So with the next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. This is bullish. We are in a very good uptrend. So we have a resistance there where the price is now. This is a very good zone where if the price does not clearly ascend and close above, then this may act as a good place to look for a sell from. So technically, if you're on this chart right now, you're supposed to pick a sell here. But if for some reasons the price continues up, breaks above these two lines, which the first one is 130.1967 or 130.865, then we want to see a pullback before we can pick another buy position. We are expecting the buyers to continue to push price even higher. So technically, this is a good place to look for a buy from. After the price is broken above this point, we want to see a pullback so that we pick a buy above this point here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We are going to meet again tomorrow at the same time.